Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can solve the issue of your GIFs or videos stuck on the Discord UI, or if you are not able to see any animated pictures or you want to disable this feature as well. You can easily find this in this tutorial. Now in order to fix all this, all you need to do is to just simply go to the settings of the Discord, and here in the settings you simply need to go to this option under accessibility. Go to this option that says reduce motion. In here, when you enable this reduce motion, it will simply disable the Discord autoplay of GIFs, emojis, animation, any kind of animation or and videos as well. So, if you want to don't want these to be played, you can just simply enable the reduce motion. And if you're facing the issue that your things are stuck and you want them to play, you can just simply disable that, and that will definitely gonna solve all your issues. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.